In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a video as a background in Canva. This is a simple trick that can instantly make your designs look more dynamic and professional, and it only takes a couple of clicks once you know where to look. First, make sure you're on the correct page or design where you want to use the video background. Open your Canva project or start a new one by choosing a template or a custom size. Once your design canvas is open in the editor, look for the section or page where you want the video background to appear. This could be a presentation slide, a social media post, a video project, or any other format Canva supports. Next, you need to get your video onto the page. You can either upload your own video from your device or choose one from Canva's built-in video library. If you're using your own clip, click on the upload option in the Canva sidebar, upload your file or file, and wait for it to finish processing. If you prefer a stock video, go to the Videos tab, then browse or search for a clip that fits your design. When you find the video you want, drag it onto your page or click once to place it. At this point, the video might appear as a smaller element sitting on top of your design rather than filling the entire background. To turn it into a background, move your mouse over the video on the page. Now right-click directly on the video. A small menu will pop up with several options. In that menu, look for the option that says Set Video as Background and click on it. As soon as you do that, Canva will automatically resize and position the video so it fills the entire page area. You'll see the video stretch to cover edge to edge, becoming the main background of that page instead of just an element on top. From here, you can continue customizing your design. You can add text, images, shapes, or other graphics on top of the video. Remember to check contrast so your text is still readable against the moving background. You can also trim the video, mute the audio if you don't need sound, or adjust its timing if you're working on a